Today I'm gonna show how to draw a chibi. First, download Ibis Paint X. This is what I tried to draw for our online business shop. Now we are going to recreate it. First, tap the plus button. You can select anything here. I usually draw a circle before I draw the chibi. If you want to add a circle, you can select it on the third icon on the top right of your screen. You can also adjust the circle. I used the Alathier pen to draw my chibi. But you can use any pen you like by clicking the second icon below the drawing area on the left. I traced the chibi in this video so I could draw faster. I found the chibi drawing on my TikTok. You can search chibi so you can find it. You can also adjust the picture so it could fit the circle. I made the picture transparent so I could see if the picture fits the circle. I added another layer so I could trace the chibi. I will fast forward the video so you could see how I traced the chibi. You can also add other designs on the chibi so it wouldn't look plain. I will also fast forward this part. The important part is to color the chibi so it would look fabulous. Color the base first before adding details. You could use any color you want. I usually use dark brown or light brown to color the chibi's hair, but I decided to change it to color green. This is the result of the chibi. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!